where the rollout training on results-based performance management system, the RPMS, is to be conducted by the Department of Education, Division of Cagayan. So it's a very beautiful Tuesday morning, and we are now having all the participants now trying to settle down for the start of this training on results-based performance management system, RPMS, which started yesterday and it goes on up to the 30th day of the month of June 2014. Again, exact location is Al-Lakapan Vocational High School.
Targeting 65, 75, but we will be targeting 100%. You see? 100% na. Wala na yon, according to her. So, 100 to 130% is outstanding. What else? Ayan, kita'y kalumnan. I hope you have gotten that. What is also for very satisfactory? Yes. Wala na yung magtatarget ng 65, 75. Wala na. Sana 100 ang starting point natin. Satisfactory is 100 to 140.
Oy,
unsatisfactory is 51 to 99%. Kaya nga, pag mag-target ka ng 75, saan ka? Unsatisfactory, yes.
Okay.
And below 50 is for very, very
Don't let me catch you sleeping.
Kaya, let us speed up
I'm Beth.
our energy
Still awake?
to catch up with the different performance indicators.
Oy, natutulog ka na.
Okay, next slide.
Hey boy, don't sleep.
Competencies in
You're on video.
and in performing our
Let me catch someone who is now sleeping. I-report ko kay Ma'am Cora.
carrying out our function and duties. We should be also displaying some competencies. What are these? We have leadership competencies, people competencies, or
in performance monitoring, why is it important? Use your eyes. We have there. Yes? Or I will read for the sake of this who are at the back. I know why you choose at the back, because you are black. Yeah? Because if you are white, you stay in front. If you are brown, you stay around. So if you are black, I do not know. You stay at the back. Can you see? Teachers at the back? Can you hear? Yes, thank you. So why is it important? Key input to performance measures. No monitoring, no objective measurement. Then next, provides objective basis of the rating. To facilitate
performance of their direct clientele, you as an employee. Hence, it is a good tool
for the school manager to review performance. And as we go on with our topics, the topics has been arranged so that you will be able to grasp and you will be able to link the knowledge that will be interwoven as we will be able to finish this rollout training on results-based performance management system. Ang galing-galing natin dahil galing tayo sa CBPAS. We are almost to perfect the CBPAS. If we have not perfected it, maybe this time we will be able to perfect this performance management system.
Development needs. Second one is set goals for meeting these needs. And the third one is prepare actions plans for meeting the development needs. And under these, we have the sanctioned learning activities, resources, or rather support, and measures of success. And number 4, we have the implement plans. And the fifth one is to evaluate. If we listen carefully to the past speakers, these have been already taken up. It is in
Ito, sumusurrender. Serving. Nakatasang dalawang kamay, walang white flag. Hello, serving.